In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a bank card to your Moneygram account. Whether you're sending money to a loved one or making a payment, having your bank card ready to go can make the process much smoother. So let's get started and make sure you're set up correctly. First, grab your phone and open the Moneygram app. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that now. Having your credentials handy will make this step quick and easy. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen. You should see a profile icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your profile settings where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, you'll want to navigate to Edit Profile. This is where you can update personal details as well as your payment methods, which is exactly what we're focusing on today. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Payment Methods. This is where all your financial tools come together, and it's where we'll be adding your bank card. You'll see an option to Add Card. Give that a tap. This will open up a new screen where you'll need to enter your card details. Carefully type in your card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. These numbers are crucial, so double check to ensure everything is correct. Don't forget to add your billing address as well. This is typically the address where you receive your bank statements. Once you've entered all the necessary information, take a moment to review it. It's always a good idea to verify each detail to avoid any errors that could lead to inconvenience later on. When everything looks good, tap Add Card to save your details. This action will securely store your card information in your Moneygram account. And just like that, your bank card is now added to your Moneygram account and ready for use. Whether you're sending money domestically or internationally, having your card set up makes the process more seamless and efficient. And that's it. That's how to add a bank card to Moneygram. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the app's support features. Happy transferring.